Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you all a vanity tour of mine. I recently arranged it. In this video, you can see me arranging it, and then I will give you a tour of my whole desk and desk area. So this is a very tiny vanity that I've made for myself. It makes me so happy to give you all a tour of this. So let's get started. So I did get quite a few things from Ikea, like this mirror, these planters, this thing, and this as well, and these organizers. I still have a few more organizers, and I have a lot of things. Still have this space left, and I have one clear acrylic container. Probably I'll put that, and with some stuff that I don't use a lot. Okay, let's do it. Here. So this is the second shelf, and this is how I've arranged it for now. So I'm gonna start from here. First, I have this chair. This is the grey, I think this is a velvet material. This chair, this is from Urban Ladder, and this is the chair that I use, and this is a single drawer desk. I think I showed this in my Ikea haul. This is from Ikea. A lot of the things here are from Ikea. This mirror is double-sided. One side is the magnifier and the other side is the normal one. This is also from Ikea. They had in one more color, which was in silver. Obviously I chose the gold one. And this is a 3-set artificial plants. I can't keep the plants alive, so I got the better one, but I did not get a lot of them. These are like mini plants. Comes in set of 3. These are very random mix of my skincare, hair care, and perfumes and deodorants. I don't really have like a lot of perfumes. I have some dry shampoo here, some body mist from Bath and Body Works, some face mists, bio oil and sunscreen, and hair oil. And this is also from Ikea. This is also from Ikea. This is the brush stand. These are like the brushes that I have, and I don't really use them a lot as well. When it comes to the drawer, this is not completely done, but most part it is done. So this is how it looks like. So here I have all of my eye stuff, like mascaras, eyeliners, eyebrow pencils, and eyelash curler and kajal, etc, etc. And here I have all of my lip liners and one lip balm. I do have other lip balms in a different container. And here these are the things that I regularly use. These are my bracelets. I use bracelets every single day, and I have few of my watches. Few of them are in other places. I need to find them and keep it here. So these are the watches, and here is like my entire face makeup stuff, like foundations, face mist, and some CC cream, concealer, and beauty blender, compact powder, highlighters, bronzers, blushes, and setting powder, compact powder, all of those stuff. Everything is here. And I also have like this hairbrush kept right here, and I have a couple of headbands right here, and I have two, like these are like the new ones that I got from Zudio. These are like the lip wipes, remover wipes, and this one is like normal bed wipes. And here are all of my hair stuff, hair accessories, like rubber bands, clips, hairpins, and like stuff like that. So I've just kept them here. So that's it for the drawer. This is what I need for the most part. So for the shelves, this is the first shelf that I can reach by sitting, I think. No, I can't really. Yeah, this is the first shelf. This is the lower one. Right here I have my lipsticks. These are all the lipsticks that I have. maybe there are a couple of more in my bag or something, I don't know. Mostly this is how much I have, and I have done a lipstick collection video also, do check that out. And I have kept my cotton pads here, so it will be accessible very easily. And another plant is here. And then this is my jewelry box. I do use some jewelry here and there, but not very much, but it's good to have it handy. And here I have all of my nail polishes, nail paints. I don't know if you can see, this is all the nail polish that, let me take it down. Okay, this is all the nail polishes that I have. Do let me know if you want to see the collection. And this is a camera. This is my dad's. I just keep it with me here, and it looks so good as a decoration as well. And this is the acrylic tray that I have. This was from Miniso. By the way, this was from Ikea as well. Very, very inexpensive. I think it was for 29 rupees or something. And these shelves are also from Ikea. And this acrylic tray, as I said, this is from Miniso. I have few things in here like some serum, body lotions, face cream, face packs, moisturizer and body lotion, and more. This is an extra highlighter that I don't use. I need to give it away. And this is also moisturizer. So this is all that I have for the second shelf. This is the complete tour of my vanity. I hope this was fun to watch. I loved organizing this, and I was so looking forward to doing this. Really, I forgot to show that I kept my eyeshadow palettes like this. I don't really have like a lot of them. I need to find another different way to organize this. For now, this is how I have put it. And also wanted to mention that I don't really have like a lot of skincare here. It is in the sink area, so I don't really have like a lot of skincare here. So yeah, so that's it for today's video. I hope this was fun to watch, and subscribe for more such videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.